Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from BingX to my bank account. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your BingX account. Once you are logged in, hover over the icons at the top right of your screen. Under the Assets section, you will see options for deposit and withdrawal. Click on Withdrawal. This will redirect you to a new page. Here, click on the Fiat Withdraw button. You will be taken to another page where you need to fill out some information. Start by selecting the fiat currency you want to withdraw and the withdrawal method. The available withdrawal methods will depend on the fiat currency you choose. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and select your preferred method. Make sure to review all the information carefully. You will also need to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy before proceeding. After filling out all necessary details, follow the prompts to confirm your identity. This step is essential for completing your withdrawal from BingX. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from BingX to your bank account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.